Hello everyone, I'm Sarah from Perfect Laser. When choosing a fiber laser cutting machine, the selection of power is crucial. Whether it's a fiber laser cutting machine or other types, the following 3 steps will help you to choose accurately, ensure efficient and accurate cutting results. Firstly, clarify the type of material you primarily process. The absorption rate of laser varies among different materials, which directly affects the required power. If your product is mainly made of metals such as carbon steel, stainless steel, or is more inclined towards aluminum and copper, you need to consider their different absorption rates for lasers. Also, don't forget to consider the type of material that may not commonly used but an occasionally used. Next, further determine the power based on the cutting thickness of the product. Divide the cutting thickness into an 8:2 ratio, with 80% being the regular cutting thickness and 20% being the thickness range that may be occasionally used but also involved. Based on this ratio, select the most suitable power range by referring to the parameter table provided by the manufacturer. In the selection process, cutting speed is also an important indicator that cannot be ignored, especially for products that require long-term processing. A stable cutting speed can greatly improve production efficiency. Referring to the cutting speed that's provided by the manufacturer, select a model with a stable speed of 1 to 1.5 meters per minute or above for 80% of the material types and the product thickness you need to ensure an efficient and stable cut experience. When selecting the power of the laser cutting machine, multiple factors such as product material, thickness, and the processing requirements should be comprehensively considered to avoid blindly purchasing high power. What is suitable is the best, making your product more efficient and accurate. If you happen to have a need for precision metal cutting or would like to learn more about the fiber laser cutting machine, please leave a message and subscribe to our channel. More wonderful things will be presented to you.